What's up, guys? This is Corey down at Mercedes-Benz of Draper, and for Tech Tuesday we are in the 2020 GLE450, and I'm going to show you how to hook up your phone. So you're on the main screen, just push home, it'll bring up your phone option, click on that, connect device, connect new device, turn your Bluetooth on your phone. It's showing on the car already. Confirm the passcode, yes, pair. Allow sync, yes. And do you want to authorize Mercedes Me from your iPhone? Click yes. And you're all connected. Have a great day.